Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from January's Boxycharm. January 2021's theme is Fresh Start. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Avant Skincare Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water, Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, Serpahine Botanicals Apple and Baume Glow Lip Mask, Violet Voss All of You Forever Eyeshadow Palette, and the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in Unprofessional. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a look with some of the products inside. First, I want to do some skincare. Let's moisturize with the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is paraben-free, formaldehyde donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. It says it's ideal for combination and oily skin, so I'm not sure that it's the best product for my very dry skin, but it is very moisturizing actually, and it smells amazing too. Next up, we have the Serpahine Botanicals Glow Lip Mask, which I'm applying to boost hydration and keep my lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped while I do my face makeup. This actually smells so good, similar to the moisturizer in fact. It's quite fruity and I really like it a lot. Now I'm just going to apply some face makeup off camera and I'll be right back to test out the eyeshadow palette. Now that we have our face makeup on, let's do some eyeshadow with the Violet Voss All of You Forever eyeshadow palette. I actually already received the Coral Pop eyeshadow in my Ipsy a few months ago, so I already know that I really like the Violet Voss formula, and I'm excited to play with these olive tones. First, I'm dipping into the shade called Charmed. I'm applying this to my crease, stopping about halfway across my eye. This shade is really pigmented. I actually only tapped my brush into the pan one time. Now to blend that out, I'm dipping into the shade called Infatuated. I'm applying this right against the upper edge of the shade we just applied. It's blending really well. Next, I'm picking up this shade called Olive Glow. I love the shade of green. It's so pretty and shiny. To add some depth, I'm dipping into the black shade called Infinity. I'm applying the smallest bit of this right against that green. The shade is really pigmented, so be careful to not apply too much. Now I'm picking up this shade called Juicy. I'm applying this to the inner half of the lid and taking it all the way up to the brow. Finally, I'm dipping into the shade called Major Spotlight, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of the eye. I'm really liking this look. The tones are just so pretty. There is just a little bit of fallout, so I'm just wiping that away, and then I'm applying some false lashes, and I'll be right back to test out the final product. This is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the shade Unprofessional. It's a sheer hot peach shade. It's definitely buildable, but I'm going to keep it very sheer. Here's the finished look using products from the January Boxycharm. Let me know if you liked what you received in your Boxycharm this month in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.